it's chayote or chuchu in some countries.
Need it.
I wasn't eating.
Get in there. Yeah, yeah. Getting some action of all this chocolate shaving.
Yeah.
Okay, and then taste. What do you think? I think
Taste?
Yes. And then add sugar rocks. And then what? What puedes? Small, a triangle, square, or circle. And then explain it.
Oh, this dish.
Add sesame. It's special oil. And then top it a little bit, and then fruits.